What you got there, Rich?
A relic. This is how people used to jumpstart cars. So what you would do is you'd find a person that's willing to help you, hook them up to your car, hook them up to theirs, start their engine, go vroom vroom. But this is the old way of doing it.
This is what I use and what I carry in my car. A jump pack. You don't even need to find someone to help you, and I use it to charge my phone.
Yep.
More importantly, though, it's got a flashlight on it. We have the cables.
Oh, look at these.
These are fresh.
These are pretty cool.
And just in case you need to charge your phone, which is what I use mine for, you got that too. So this is awesome because you don't need to find someone else to help you, and it's a lot safer. You don't have to worry about
Crossing terminals and all that good stuff.
exactly.
Or punching two people in the face
Yeah,
at the same
either
time.
way, you don't have to worry about either one of those. Let's jumpstart this car.
All right, let's do it. So how does this thing actually work?
So, first step, we hook up the cables.
Yes.
Red to positive.
Yes.
Black to negative.
I can do that.
Can you though?
Red positive,
Are you positive?
black negative.
Go ahead and plug it in. We're a team today, Rich. Once our light turns green, we're ready to jumpstart.
Awesome.